In the vast silence of space, there exist objects so extreme that they defy every law of physics we know. Black holes, cosmic beasts that consume light itself, where time, matter, and even reality reach their breaking point. But what truly happens beyond the event horizon? That invisible boundary of no return. Let's go inside. Every black hole begins with death, the death of a massive star. When a star many times heavier than our sun burns out its nuclear fuel, gravity wins. The star's core collapses under its own weight, crushing atoms, electrons, even the space between them, until nothing is left but a point of infinite density, a singularity. Around it lies the event horizon, the point where escape becomes impossible. Not even light can get out once it crosses this boundary. From the outside, a black hole appears as a dark void, a perfect shadow against the fabric of space. As you approach a black hole, the universe begins to distort. Space stretches. Time slows. This is spaghettification, a tidal force so powerful that your atoms would be stretched thinner than light itself. From far away, you'd seem frozen at the edge, forever trapped at the event horizon. But from your own perspective, you'd fall through it. And once you cross that invisible line, all paths lead inward. There's no going back. Not for you, not for light, not even for information. Here, inside, the laws of physics collapse. Einstein's equations predict infinity, a singularity where gravity becomes endless and space-time itself tears apart. Yet quantum mechanics refuses to accept that. It suggests that information can never be destroyed, not even inside a black hole. So where does it go? Is it imprinted on the event horizon as a hologram? Does it escape through Hawking radiation, the faint whisper of particles black holes emit as they slowly evaporate? Or does it slip into another universe altogether, through a wormhole? Physicists have proposed daring ideas. Some believe that what lies beyond could be the birth of a new universe, a cosmic rebirth where our Big Bang might have once begun. Others suggest that the singularity is not a point at all, but a bridge, a passage to elsewhere in space-time. But these are only shadows of truth. No one, not even the greatest minds, can see past the horizon. Because to truly know what's inside, something would have to survive the fall. Inside a black hole, time doesn't flow forward. It falls inward. Everything, including time itself, rushes toward the singularity. From that perspective, the future isn't ahead. It's below you. You're falling into tomorrow, and nothing in the universe can stop it. A black hole isn't just an object, it's a trap in space-time. A one-way journey to the edge of everything we know. So what lies beyond the event horizon? Perhaps endless darkness, perhaps another universe. Or maybe, it's where the universe hides its deepest truths, waiting for us to evolve enough to understand them. In the end, black holes remind us of something profound, that even in complete darkness, there are secrets worth chasing. Because sometimes, to truly see the light, you have to step into the dark.